What is up, guys? So I wanted to show you some quick gameplay that I've got going on for Manic Panda. I have went ahead and I have moved to 3 engine rooms. Yes, 3 engine rooms. And I know a lot of my task force is stuck at the 2. This is what I've done so far. So I maxed out my boats. I maxed out my machine guns. I maxed out my warriors. I maxed out the flamethrowers, and I upgraded a few other things. And I fought there for a while, and it was coming down to just percentage. And if you're not taking down engine rooms, you're not going to farm chests. You're not going to move. So I got to a point where I was like, all right, I have to make a move. And so I went ahead and I upgraded my troop damage to full, and I was able to get some wins and move up some ranks. So I was able to open chests to ranks. And once I did that, I got the other engine room, and I moved to smokes, and I unlocked smokes. So that's where I'm at right now. Having pretty good success so far. See, I might have. See, it was down to percentage. I think this is where I left. But so far, right now, anyways, I am in first place in this task force. Got a lot of attackers. Right now, I'm in first place right now, as of now. But guys, it's a struggle. You gotta be really careful, guys. Really careful. And if you start seeing yourself where it's just coming down to percentage, you gotta make a move. You gotta move forward, or you're just gonna get stuck. And my other 2 accounts do not have endless reserves, so it's even harder. So I'm getting about 4 attacks in per time, where this Manic Panda has endless reserves, and it is making it easier in that sense. I like how Warships has started. It seems a lot funner. We're using troops we haven't used before. I love doing warrior rushes. Warrior rushes are fun. I do not like that they've kind of made this to where if you don't have endless reserves, you're kind of out of luck, and that's no fun for anyone. So hopefully people can move forward and the meta will change. I'm on a 5-time win streak right now. Let's do about 3 battles, and then I'm going to jump off here. I'm going to make sure this is a short video real quick to show you guys what I'm doing, how my base is holding up. I'll probably start losing since I started the video. Alright, so this is what I'm going to do. I am going to... well, I was. Thought about going up top. Oh, well, I guess I'm going to. I didn't even touch it. Flare up here. Then flare here. Smoke. Another flare. Flare. Got some GBE. Flare. Smoke. Yeah, that last smoke didn't work. Oh, come on, guys. Yes. Oh, one last. We'll make it. Oh, yes. Yes, guys. Yes. Oh. I did that smoke too far away. I wanted to land right on. But look, guys, he didn't take anything out. What happened? What happened? What happened here? I feel like this is a plague of someone that doesn't have endless reserves. GG, my man. Sorry for your loss, but good game. GG. Oh, man, that was a close one for me. I was able to get that last chest of the day. And I've not been waiting. I've just been opening them. I could go ahead and get Sergeant Brick. Or do I want to do some more battles? I guess Sergeant Brick isn't going to hurt. Let's go ahead and unlock Sergeant Brick. She's going to help. Level 1. Alright, we got her, level 1. You know, guys, I think that's all I need. She has battle orders. Let's go over here and change it to it is already on battle orders. Alright. Alright, let's do this, guys. Let's do this. Come on, let's get it. Hopefully we got this, guys. Hopefully we got this. Ooh, this one I've not seen so far. Simple enough, though, I think. I like all those mines right there. Oof. Oof. Alright, here we go.
Let's go!
Should just be able to get this with 2 smokes. 1 and 2.
Go,
I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'll definitely get this one. But I don't think I'll get the next one. Oh, he got me already. Oh, I flared too early. Oh, I flared too early. Oh. Darn, guys. Darn. Oh, man. Good job, buddy. Good job. Okay, flare to the center. Good job. Good job. Wow. Good attack. Hey, you win some, you lose some. And when it's a grind like this, it's hard. I gotta tell you guys, it's really hard. Guys, please don't get discouraged. I know it's easy to say when you just have endless attacks to hit something. Guys, don't get discouraged. Just keep pushing. You will find a breaking point. Alright, let's do one more, and then I'm going to head out. My kiddos are hollering at me. Alright. We're just going to go down here. Yeah! Flare for this first engineer. Ooh, we lost a lot of troops. Oh, man. I don't think we got this. Man! Guys, that was just my fault. I wasn't paying attention. That was a bad attack on my end. Let's see what he's doing. Hopefully he gets me. He'll definitely get me on percentage. I don't know if he's going to get any engineers, but he's definitely going to get me on percentage. This is the first Warships I've seen that's done this. I think I'm getting a call. Call you back, baby. Alright, guys. So, I see that it maybe if I just would have went for percentage, I might have won that one. But anyways, guys, I've got to get off here. My wife is calling me. I will call her back. Anyways, guys, I will see you guys on the next video. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned. Guys, keep booming. Like, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Later.